Howdy folks, this is my first attempt at YouTube. This is my 2003 Dodge Caravan, and as you can see, I don't know, maybe you can't see it, but I've been working on the driver front end because it kind of got crunched into a pole. So anyhow, after it crunched, it would not start. And I checked the spark, it was getting sparked. I checked the injectors, they were clicking. If I put fuel down it, and it would momentarily run, and I could hear the fuel pump priming, but I still couldn't get it to run no matter what I did. After about 3 or 4 days, I took the fuel line off the fuel rail and turned the key and had a little cup under it to catch any of that gas, and no gas was getting to the fuel rail. Well, here's what happened, folks. I'm going to show you. Here's my fuel pump. It broke in half inside the tank. Really poor design. If you're going nuts, can't figure out why your van or car won't start, your Dodge, this might be your problem. Take the gas line off at the fuel rail or check the Schroeder valve, see if it's getting fuel. Really bad design. In 2004 they changed the design, I think, and yeah, it's really frustrating. 3 or 4 days it took me to finally figure this out. And it still made a prime noise. So, alright, good luck.